Marvelous moths, nature's nocturnal wonders. Moths are extraordinary insects with over 160,000 species worldwide. Unlike butterflies, most moths are nocturnal and use moonlight for navigation. They possess feathery antennae for detecting scents, aiding in finding mates. Moths play a crucial role in pollination, especially at night. Some species mimic leaves or bark for camouflage, evading predators. Interestingly, the Atlas moth is among the largest, with a wingspan of up to 12 inches. Despite their understated beauty, moths are vital contributors to ecosystems.